Sorry for the delay. How are you?
I'm doing really well. How are you?
I'm good too. So, ready for today's session?
Yeah.
Today we will talk about water wonders.
Mm-hmm.
So, let's begin this session with a quote. So, this says that thousands have lived without love, not one without water. What do you understand by this? And do you agree with this?
Yes, of course I do. When we were school, I think it was a slogan, water is life.
Yeah,
And it is correct because, yes, we can live without love, but we cannot even survive one day without water because water is necessary. If you will not drink water, you will not like survive.
you can't survive.
You
Yes?
can't survive, yeah.
Yes. Okay, so please refer to your session notes. And on slide
Mhm.
number 2, there are two images displayed on your screen.
Yes.
What can you comprehend through these images, and what will happen if we move from image 1 to image 2?
I think it's a world with water and world without water.
Okay. And what would happen if there is no water, just like image 2?
I think everything will be destroyed because not only human but also every living thing depends on water to survive, whether it is animal or plants. Everything needs water.
Flora and
Every
fauna.
living thing needs water.
Yes, every living being. Rather than saying animals or plants, can we say flora and fauna?
Flora, sorry,
Flora means plants,
flora,
yes,
flora,
and fauna means
fauna.
animals.
Okay, flora and fauna.
Yes, flora and fauna. And apart from that, it is a catastrophic thought means it is a disastrous thought. And
Okay,
also the
yes.
image one is sorry, the image one is showing the lush blue. Yes. On the other hand, the second image is showing the
It's okay. Resort.
desolate means something empty, bleak, which has no vegetation. Of course, there would be no vegetation. If there would be no vegetation, there would be no life, right? No vegetation. So basically, it is desolate means yes, and bleak is lack of vegetation.
Okay.
All right. So, can you tell me that where do we all need water in our whole day?
From the day we start, like from the morning till the night we go to bed, we need water. Our day starts from drinking water. I mean, in every area, in like on every corner, in your every corner of your room or of your house, you see there's a need of water. I mean, in the kitchen, uh, if you have plants need water, then for basic needs, I mean, if water to clean yourself. For each and everything, we need water. We're dependent on water. For example, if there is no tap water for a day, I think that day look disastrous. Like if I wake up in the morning and I get to know that there will be no water in the society today, I mean, I'll be like, okay, I'm done. I cannot do anything. I cannot go to office. I cannot cook. I cannot wash the utensils. I cannot get like take the shower. So everything will be stopped for the day.
Yes. So, water is a crucial part of our lives.
Yes.
It's perfect. Okay, now can you tell me, Arushi, that give me three common activities where the
Water is wasted.
wasted, say
Wasted.
yes, is
West. I personally think so. If you're washing vegetables in the kitchen, you throw that water in the basin. Instead, you can reuse that water. So that's the one thing. Second thing, I think I'm giving very personal examples. When you are using shower instead of water in bucket, I think you will waste a lot of water. That's what I personally think when I calculate or when I think about it.
all right.
That a bucket of water is like limited. You have to use use the water full of bucket only. But if you're
Use it
using
wisely.
yeah, you use the water wisely. But if you're using shower, I think you don't think about it. It feels good, so you spend a lot more time in that process.
Yes, 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 yes. So we use excessive water
Excessive
during
water,
showers. Yes.
which is a kind of wastage because I don't think you need that. You don't want to, it's just that you feel good and that's why you keep
Yeah.
wasting water.
So, what do you think would be the solution to the activities you just mentioned?
So the first one I have mentioned, I think we can reuse that water uh, for plants, because anyway we are giving water to the plants like fresh water, and if you give that used water to plants, the water can, like, you can use the water again, and it will not be wasted. As I have mentioned, you can swap shower, water from shower to the water in bucket, a bucket full of water.
Okay, all right. Swap or
Swap.
yes,
Okay.
swap. Also, what you can do is you can install the low flow faucets, basically low flow
Okay.
faucets.
Okay.
Yes, all right. So, have you personally taken any steps to stop wasting water?
I am very conscious when it comes to using water. So, and I totally believe in conscious living. First of all, I mean, in any term, not just in terms of water. I think everything. I believe that when it comes to saving environment or anything, you should be conscious, because you're a part of environment and it's your responsibility to contribute something. So that's why I try to not waste water uh, when when I'm responsible or in my area, especially at my home. I try to not waste water. And you're asking that how I, like, what are the initiatives or what are the steps I have
Yes,
taken,
that
right?
you took.
Okay. So the one, as I have mentioned, I reuse the water as much as I can.
You were speaking a little fast, and because of
Mhm.
that, there were few words that you missed. So that's very small. What's small? That's a very small initiative.
That's very small initiative.
Initiative. That's a very small. A very
That's a
small.
very small initiative.
Yes. And apart from that, I forgot there were two other things that you missed. I was just
Okay.
about to write it down, but then I forgot.
Okay.
Anyways, yes. So that's a very good thing that you try to be resourceful, Arushi.
Mhm.
Yeah. All right. How important is water for us? How would you answer this question?
How important. The one sentence describes everything, that water is life. So water is very crucial thing in our life. So as I have mentioned, we cannot do anything without water. So it
Yes.
is just that important.
So we can simply say it's the backbone of our health.
It's the backbone of our health.
Health.
Okay.
Yes. And what are the synonyms of crucial?
Crucial. Mm.
Because you used it in your past answer as well, previous answer
Crucial
as
is
well.
again like important, right?
And yes, yes, crucial is important.
Important, significant, pivotal, right?
Yes.
Essential.
Vital, essential. Yes.
Yes, vital. Yeah.
So you can try on experimenting with different other words as well.
Mhm.
Yes. Okay. All right. Now, can you please refer to your session notes?
Okay. Okay, yeah. When any impurities from the surrounding get mixed with the water bodies, the water gets polluted, known as water pollution. Water pollution is a great bane for nature as well as humanity. Water pollution degrades the quality of the water in the water bodies. When humans, birds, and animals consume this polluted water, including aquatic animals, it it dramatically affects their health. Water gets polluted because men and women dump domestic wastes directly into water bodies. Water gets polluted because many factories dump their wastes, including chemical waste, directly into water bodies. The polluted water, when consumed, causes diarrhea, cholera, typhoid, jaundice, and other diseases. When men and animals bath in water, it causes water pollution. The quality of drinking water should always be verified from time to time to prevent epidemics. We must take all necessary steps to stop or prevent water pollution.
Okay, nicely read. But I believe you could have expressed yourself more beautifully, right?
Okay.
Yes. For example, I'll just demonstrate. When any impurities from the surrounding gets mixed with the water bodies, the water gets polluted, known as water pollution. Water pollution is a great bane for nature as well as humanity, right? You
Yeah.
just need to try to express yourself more beautifully,
Mhm.
right? Okay, Arushi, there are some
Mhm.
words written on the chat box. Can you read them out?
Diseases,
Diseases, okay.
waste,
Waste, aste.
waste,
Yes, waste.
taste,
And the next one is?
taste,
Yes, A. You
mhm,
have to
taste.
put emphasis on A. Waste,
Mhm.
taste. All right. Okay, now let's talk about few words. What is the meaning of impurities?
Impurities means not clean, impure, dirty.
Dirty. Okay. And what is bane?
I think it's bane is called boon and
No, boon is different.
okay.
Boon is something good. It is
Oh,
the opposite of boon.
yeah, yeah. That's what I'm trying to recall. Bane and what? Mm,
It's
mm.
curse.
It's a curse.
It's a curse, right? Okay. What is aquatic?
Aquatic means animals lives in water.
Yes, yes, yes. So simply water. Aquatic
What?
animals, right? Water. And dump means
Dump means waste.
or to throw. Yes, when you
Okay,
dump
yeah.
something.
So right, right.
Okay. Consumed means
Consume means in inhale
not inhaled.
use is it to
Consumed, right? Consumed is eaten.
yeah. Eaten,
Something.
use.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
And what is verified?
Verified. Verified. Tested.
You can say yes, something which is authentic and which
Authentic.
is checked, right? Authenticate.
Past.
Verified means something checked, right?
Check. Yeah. Check.
Checked.
Tested. Okay.
Authenticated. Yes.
Mhm.
Okay. Prevent
Prevent means
means
uh,
or means.
means. Prevent means. Prevent means avoid,
Yes, avoid or to stop.
stop.
Yes, okay. And epidemic is
Epidemic is, I think, I don't know. To prevent epidemics. No, but like uh, something bad, negative, not don't know the exact meaning.
so
Epidemics.
when the contagious diseases are there and they spread, they're deadly contagious diseases. That is an epidemic.
Okay.
Yes. And what is the meaning of necessary?
Necessary,
Yes, yes.
needed. Yeah.
All right, Arushi. So, I believe in today's session that you spoke really well.
Mhm.
But, however, you could use more advanced words.
Yes.
So, what are the words that you learned today? The different words.
Uh,
Any of them that you remember?
yes, I do. Curse, not different one, but we use it today.
Curse. Okay, bane.
Yeah, Ben, curse. Ben
Mm-hmm.
is already written in the session notes, but curse we have used.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Vital,
Vital. Okay.
authenticated. I mean, it's not a new word, but we use it somehow.
Yes. Okay.
Sometimes you know the words, but you don't recall it.
Yes, exactly. That's
Yes.
why I'm asking you.
Mm.
Desolate.
Desolate, yeah.
Desolate, right? Which
It's just
which
different for me, and I'm not sure if I'll be able to recall these words because I'm not able to you know see the use of this word so much in daily life. That's why.
all right, okay. But
Can you just write it down?
desolate, okay, sure.
Resonate.
All right, desolate. That means something
Okay.
empty.
Desolate. Okay.
Flora and fauna we talked about.
Yes, flora and fauna. And
Catastrophic, disastrous, simple. Okay,
catastrophic means, I mean,
disastrous.
okay, both have the same meaning. It's catastrophic.
So,
Okay.
do you want to do another vocabulary exercise today?
Yeah, of course.
So, just give me a moment.
Mm-hmm.
We did not do any other vocabulary
No,
exercise, did
no.
we? No? Alright. Okay, Arushi. Did you receive any chat in the chat box?
Yes.
So can you see word bank?
Mm-hmm.
So word bank is your options. You have to fill in the blanks by using these options. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll just read out the sentences to make it a little easy for you.
Hmm.
You just choose the words from the word bank, okay? So first is I can trust her with important work. Reliable. And what could be the synonyms of reliable?
Responsible? No.
But related to trust, responsible is
Yeah.
a little different.
Trustworthy.
Trustworthy. And what else? Dependable.
Okay.
Loyal.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Little child was dash and kept asking questions about the stars. Curious. And what could be the synonyms of curious?
Curious. No.
Eager.
Okay.
Eager. And we can say excited, of course. He was excited to know about things. And we can also say inquisitive. All right. Okay. Third one is during the presentation, she looked very dash and spoke clearly.
Confident.
Confident. And what could be the synonyms of
Confident. Prepared.
okay? It could be. If you are prepared, of course, you are confident. Apart from that,
Confident.
she looked very bold. Can we say that?
Bold.
Yes.
Okay.
Self assured. And self assured is a
Self
synonym.
assured.
Yes.
Okay.
Right? Self assured is when you have an unwavering belief in yourself. Unwavering
Hmm.
means a steady
Unwavering.
belief, firm belief.
Yeah.
Okay. And the next sentence is I feel dashed to my parents for always helping me.
Grateful.
Okay. And tell me the synonyms of
Grateful. I feel grateful.
appreciative.
Appreciative.
Yes. Thankful. In simple
Yeah.
words.
Thank you.
Obliged.
Obliged.
Yes. In the applications you used to write, I'm obliged to that you gave me the holidays for 2 days, right? I'll be obliged to you, right? So obliged is again, I'll be grateful to you. I'll be thankful to you.
Okay.
Okay. And good team members should be dash and adjust according to situations.
Flexible.
Okay. And tell me the synonyms of
Flexible. Feasible.
no, the players can't be feasible is something convenient, right?
Okay.
Flexible is adaptable. You can adapt according to different situations, right? I can adapt to do this according to different situations. Adjustable.
Adaptable. Adjustable.
Yes, easygoing also. Alright. A dash student finishes the work on time and follows rules seriously.
Come again, please.
Yeah, sure. Where is this? A dash student finishes work on time and follows rules seriously.
Honest.
Apart from that, choose from the word bank.
Calm.
Okay, a calm student finishes work on time and follows
Patient.
rules. Responsible. Yes?
Okay. Yeah.
Responsible. And what could be the synonyms of responsible?
A responsible student finishes work on time and follows rules seriously. I don't know why I go blank.
Alright, what happened? You were thinking about something else?
No, I'm not a responsible
Alright.
student.